What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and I know that run memory it's quite expensive, so you need to save yours. And of course, as much as you can save your run memory, as better is the performance of your Windows computer. So I'm gonna share with you guys a quick yet very effective tip on how to save memory on Windows. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your start menu, just like this, click on settings. While loading, review the left sidebar of menus, and next to the home you have between Bluetooth the system. Click on it, scroll it down until the very bottom and go to about. Once on About, you're going to be able to see the device specifications and related links. Go to Advanced System Settings. Click on it. This window gonna pops up. And right here, we're going to be able to see three options: the performance, the user, and the startup and recovery. I'm going to go to startup and recovery and click on Settings. Once on Settings, the full operating system in my Windows 11, the time to display. Right here on System Failure, your may be marked just like this. Unmark this option, write an event to the system log. As soon as you click on OK and click on OK again, this gonna save you parts of your run memory to other usages that may need performance, and you're gonna be able to do faster, and you will see no difference on your usage after all. So a good way to improve performance. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.